This butter pecan upside down sour cream cake combines a sticky candied pecan topping with an ultra moist brown sugar sour cream cake center, a crunchy sweet pecan crust, and is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. To make the sticky pecan topping, melt 15 grams butter and mix with 5 grams rum and 15 grams sugar cane syrup. Spread on the bottom of the skillet. Fill the bottom of the skillet with whole pecans, about 20 grams, and roast in a 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for 5 minutes to start caramelizing the pecans. To make the sour cream cake, cream 25 grams brown sugar with 15 grams room temperature butter, 15 grams sour cream, a splash of vanilla extract, and an egg yolk. Sift and fold in 25 grams flour, an eighth of a teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt until evenly distributed, being careful not to overmix. Spread the batter on top of the hot pecans, then mix 10 grams chopped pecans with 10 grams brown sugar and spread evenly on top of the cake. Bake in a 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes. The upside down cake is done when the center is domed, caramelized, and the toothpick test comes out clean. Wait about 10 minutes or until the skillet is cool enough to handle, then use a small palette knife to free the cake from the top and sides, then invert it onto a plate.